OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT and DALL-E, just rocked the internet by announcing their new text-to-video platform called Sora. It gives a middle finger to competition like Runway and Pika Labs by blowing past them in AI-generated video. Sora does this by creating AI videos that are more realistic and up to 60 seconds in length, along with different aspect ratios as well, while Runway can only generate videos up to 4 seconds long. Another competitive advantage is Sora has the capability to maintain characters across a wide range of camera angles and frames. One can take the images and convert them to videos, which compared to other models like Kyber, Sora does a better job of making the finished product look as lifelike as possible. Video-to-video editing is also possible, and it's mind-blowing to see one take advantage of existing video and change the environment around it to morph it into the end product, so it can be anything that one can think of. In this example here on the left, you'll see the input video of this car racing down this hill, and on the right-hand side, you'll see Sora changing the car to be in a 1920s setting and making sure to keep the red color consistent. Same video, changing the environment and the object completely. Sora has the capability of taking a group of videos and morphing them together. You can see here in this example, the first two images on the left, you have a reptile and you have a bird, and then the final image on the right is combining both of those together. There are some limitations to what Sora can do, and OpenAI is transparent about this on their website, showing challenges. In this example, you see a man running backwards on a treadmill. In this image, we see wolf pups morphing out of each other. And this one here of a grandmother blowing out birthday candles, but when she does so, nothing happens. OpenAI will be working on safety features to include metadata to indicate that the video is AI generated. Like DALL-E 3, there will be content restrictions to prevent creating videos with violent or hateful imagery, celebrity likeness, or copyrighted materials. Regardless, this technology is exciting for creators because while the limitation is only 1 minute for now, as this kind of technology improves, we'll be in a place where anyone can create stock footage, a music video, educational content, or even a full movie, all from ideas they have dreamed up. Google has also thrown their hat into the AI creation space with their new tool called Lumiere. I made a video about it, which you can click on right here.